Hi, I'm Tanya with Timberlane Maple in Mooers Fork, New York, and I'd like to show you the gas-powered CDL pump that I purchased this year at the beginning of the season. I have 1,400 taps in this bush. This 5 horsepower gas-powered pump ran this sugar bush all season at about 28 to 28.5 inches of vacuum. I was able to throttle it all the way down, keeping the vacuum at 28 to 28.5 inches. I really like this gas-powered pump because it has the Honda motor. Did not have any issues with it like I've had with other gas-powered pumps in the past. It runs really, really well, and it's very efficient with gas. If you have any questions, contact CDL. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification icon to get updates on new product videos.